Hello, little artists. I'm Daisy. Today, we are going to draw a super cool and fun mermaid together. If you're ready for our fun story, let's get started. Let's draw the mermaid's head and her shiny hair. Shall we add a hair clip right here? Now, let's draw her eyes, mouth, and sweet little dimples. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let's draw her body and arms. Now, time to draw that dazzling tail of hers. Legend says mermaids have the most beautiful voices and looks. And now, let's add her shimmering scales too. There we go. Now, let's draw the mermaid's other friends. A fish, a crab, and a must-have of the oceans, seaweed. Now, let's give them all names and listen to their story. Hey there! Welcome to the most colorful corner of the ocean. Do you know who we're meeting today? Meet Molly the mermaid. Molly loves swimming and sunbathing on a rock during the sunny hours of the day. Pink. Look at this hair. bright yellow like the sun, wavy, and super cool. Molly loves to shake her hair. Swish, swish, swish. Molly is super excited today because there's a giant dance festival in the ocean. Red. Blue. Time to put on her party outfit. Purple! She put on her purple top, Don't you think this purple top looks super cute on Molly? Pink. Orange. And her bright orange tail. Look at her fin, big and blue. She splashes her tail in the water. Splash, splish, splash. Swimming around and doing flips underwater. Molly has a secret. She wants to be the fastest dancer in the ocean. She even put on her lucky star hairpin with its little red flower and blue star. Yellow. Look, even the seaweeds are dancing to the rhythm. The green seaweeds are swaying side to side. Orange. Sway, sway. Wiggle, wiggle. Red. Molly's cheerful friends are here too. Our cool buddy tapping his claws to the beat, Krabby Chris, snip, snap, snip, snap. And the tiny but super fast yellowfish, beep, beep, beep. The music has started. Let's all join the rhythm. Krabby Chris is playing his claws. Snip, snap. Green seaweeds are waving. Swish, swish. Yellowfish Beep is spinning around. Zoom! And Molly the mermaid flips upside down, doing an awesome underwater somersault. Whoosh! Ta-da! And there you have it! Molly, Krabby Chris, and the Green Seaweed Band are on stage. Can you hear the music too? Come on, grab your paper and crayons and draw your very own ocean dance. Hello everyone, I'm Daisy. Today we are going to dive deep, deep, deep into the ocean. Are you ready? Let's go. Look right here. This is my friend Ollie, and he is an octopus. Can you help me count his long, wiggly arms? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! Pink. 8 arms. And look closer. See those little round dots on his arms? Those are suction cups. They go pop, pop, pop on the rocks. And they help Ollie catch his yummy, crunchy snacks. Yum, yum, yum. Now, I have a big secret about Ollie. Put your hand on your heart. Thump, 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 thump. We have one heart, right? But Ollie is a superstar. He has 3 hearts. Thump, 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 thump. Red! And guess what color his blood is? It's not red like ours. Pink. It's bright blue, just like the ocean. Oh my gosh, right? Green. Ollie also loves to play hide and seek. He is the king of hiding. If a big fish swims by, Ollie goes zap pink and changes his color to look exactly like a rock or a bumpy coral. You can't see him at all. Blue. But if a scary predator gets too close, Ollie has a superpower. He shoots out a big cloud of dark ink. Splash! Orange. The water gets all cloudy and Ollie zooms away like a rocket. Vroom! How does he move so fast and squeeze into tiny spaces? Because Ollie has a wiggly jiggly body with absolutely no bones. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Red! He is as soft as jelly. He can squeeze through a hole as small as a coin. So, that is my amazing, smart friend, Ollie. Do you want to be an octopus with me now?
Purple!
Let's wiggle our 8 arms together. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle!
Green!
Yay! Thank you for listening, friends. Bye-bye! See you in the next video, kids!